I planted all these seeds on the 14th, 15th, and 16th. And you know how anxious you get to see them grow? Well, like a proud father, the ones that I planted on the 14th, I got up this morning, pulled off the cover, and look at that. They sprouted. I'm so proud of them. I just had to share it with you. These are all beefsteaks, and this one tray alone, I counted a little over 40 of them that have sprouted and ready to start growing. Woohoo! The others haven't sprouted yet, but I'm sure starting tomorrow they will be following suit. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated.